I'll show you how you can fix snipping tool not working. Now, first off, I'm going to show you how you can repair or reset the snipping tool. So when you go to the search bar here, I'm going to show you, you can see add or remove programs. If you can't find it here, just tap in add or remove, just like that. And then it'll show up here, add or remove programs. Now on add or remove programs, you want to wait for it to load here. Let's just wait for a second. Now, once it's loaded, you want to go to the search bar up here, and then you want to type in snipping tool, right? So snipping tool like this. Now on snipping tool, click on the three dots here and then click on advanced options. Now on advanced option, you want to scroll down and then you want to see that there's a reset or repair option here. Just click on repair or click on reset, and then it'll repair or reset the application, and then it'll get it back working on order, right? But if that doesn't work, you want to go to the search bar here, and then you want to go to store, type in store, and you want to go to Microsoft Store. Now on Microsoft Store, just type in the icons up here, and then just again type in snipping tool. Type in snipping tool like this, and then you can see it'll show right here, snipping tool, right? Now on snipping tool, you want to see that right now it's open, right? But if you want to get a free install or like a reinstall, a completely new install so that it's fresh, you can go to the settings here. You can see there's an uninstall button. You would click on that to uninstall, and then it'll turn into an install button here, and you just have to reinstall it. But if you're having trouble, you can also try updating it, see if that works. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.